What if I tell you that you can grow your YouTube channel faster without working more hours? In this video, I will show you 5 AI tools that every YouTuber should use in 2026. Introduction: creating YouTube videos takes a lot of time. Writing scripts, editing videos, making thumbnails. But AI tools can make this work much easier. Today, I will share 5 AI tools that help YouTubers save time, create better videos, and grow faster. These tools are beginner-friendly and easy to use. Tool 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you write video scripts, titles, and descriptions. Why it is useful. Saves time, helps with ideas, easy for beginners. How to use it. Just type what your video is about. Ask it to write a script or title. That's it. Tool 2. Pictory. Pictory turns text into videos automatically. Why it is useful. Great for faceless videos, no editing skills needed, fast video creation. How to use it. Paste your script. Download the video. Tool 3. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps you grow on YouTube. Why it is useful. Finds good keywords, improves titles and tags, helps get more views. How to use it. Install the browser extension. Use keyword tools before uploading. Tool 4. Canva. Canva helps you design thumbnails easily. Why it is useful. Ready-made templates, no design experience needed, clean and professional look. How to use it. Choose a YouTube thumbnail template. Edit text and colors. Download and upload. Tool 5. Descript. Descript helps you edit videos using text. Why it is useful. Easy video and audio editing, remove mistakes fast, great for beginners. How to use it. Upload your video, edit text like a document, export the final video. Real-life use case: many YouTubers use these tools together. ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory for videos, Canva for thumbnails. This saves hours every week and helps channels grow faster. Soft call to action: if you want to try these AI tools, you can find all the links in the description below. Ending: if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment below which AI tool you want to try first.